I'm home alone. I'm home alone. Home alone. Home alone. Home alone. Home alone. I'm home alone. Home alone. Home alone. Home alone. As you may have noticed from the previous clip, I am home alone. So wait, let me take this piece of shit off. Yeah, my parents have gone to Madrid to drop my brothers off at uni, and they decided to stay a few days there, and I'm here alone. I love being home alone. And yeah, I know what you guys are thinking. House party! Yeah! No. And believe it or not, there are people that are actually scared to stay at home. It's called autophobia. I honestly have to admit that at night, when you're by yourself at your house, some things happen. I don't know about you guys, but like, typical noise when a lamp clicks, like, just randomly, or when you leave the door open on a windy night and it does that horrible noise. Don't judge me. And honestly, those noises are the ones that leads us, not only me, you guys, to the ninja mode. I am absolutely convinced you've heard of the ninja mode. It's basically when you hear something that you didn't quite hear. But not just anything, footsteps or a glass breaking or the door closing really hard. These things detonate that ninja mode. It's a self-protection mechanism your body has to basically make you protect yourself, even if there's nothing going on. And what you tend to do when you're in ninja mode, you basically grab anything hard or sharp and use it. There's no one here. Come on, Amy. You bloody pussy. Come on, you're old enough now. But really, I do love being home alone. No one here to tell me what to do, to constantly go in your room and checking on you. I hate that, especially when I'm filming. To tell you when to go to bed or when dinner's ready. I mean, I just want to go with my flow, okay? Okay? So yeah, thank you for watching today's video. That is all I want to say to you guys today. Please subscribe by clicking the button at the top. It's not hard, you just go and you subscribe. You do me a big favor. Then you rate, you comment, but just make other people watch my video, especially your mom. So thank you for watching my video. Again, yeah, I said that. So yeah, I'm gonna watch some telly and then have a home alone.